Not only do we co-engineer with NVIDIA, so making sure that their technology and our technology are aligned for future needs, but we're also an important part of the industry ecosystem.
We have to think about AI factories as systems that are designed for a purpose, that are built in a factory in a controlled environment.
Vertiv One-Core Rubin DSX. It is effectively the physical manifestation of the entire AI factory, fully virtualized in NVIDIA Omniverse DSX blueprint and that virtual environment. That is a converged physical infrastructure. What we mean by converged physical infrastructure is that it is power, thermal, controls, the interfaces, and services all interdependently designed together as one single system.
So an example is Vertiv's One-Core absolutely addressing that need. Certainty of deployment, speed of deployment, and overall maximization of the business model for our customers in terms of lowest total cost of ownership come together.
Enterprise AI, I think, is really going to experience a renaissance. Really, 2026 is going to represent the inflection point for inference. And that's really a game changer for enterprise. We're moving data center design into a world of system engineering. And for a company like Vertiv that has all of the piece parts in the entire portfolio, systems engineering allows us to bring together all of those in optimized designs.
This is very critical in order to be able to deliver on the scale and the efficiency and performance that's required out there.
To make sure that infrastructure deployment happen at speed and in a very industrialized way.